Hello quadcopter fans. Today we are looking at the 3D robotics iris, and if anyone has sharp eyes they can see something a little bit different about this. If you're familiar with the electronic flight control systems that are out there, you can see that this thing has a DJI compass and a LED on it. That's because I had some pretty serious problems with the original flight controller, and I had to make some decisions whether or not to send it back or do something different. And I happen to have quite a bit of DJI equipment on hand, so very carefully took out the original flight controller and data module and put in the DJI Naza M version 2, of course with the GPS receiver. Also, I did put in the DJI iPad ground control station, which is what the two red antennae are on the back. The receiver is actually it's a DJI receiver. It's their 7-channel radio system. Uses their little white transmitter, and it seems to be doing very, very well. I've got a few flights on it. I replaced the propellers. My Grapner are my favorite propellers. They balance very, very well. Sometimes they're balanced right out of the bag, but I go ahead and do a precision balance on them anyway. These are 10.5 propellers, very closely matching the original propellers, but they're very stiff. And flight performance is very good with these propellers. So let's get it fired up. See if we can do a hover. By the way, this video is being recorded in 4K. I'll try to make it short. 4K videos is 4 times the resolution of 1080p. And I know YouTube has 4K capability now. The problem is most computers that you may be watching this with don't have a 4K monitor. There are 4K monitors out there. Not many people have them, but I think even some of the best Apple monitors may be in the range of between 2 and 2.5K resolution, which is not bad. It's pretty decent. I think a lot of 4K equipment will be coming out very, very soon. But let's go wide on this shot, and then I'll see if I can get this in the air and try to keep it in frame. I'm using the new Panasonic GH4 in 4K mode here. I'll see what I can do. Bring it back over here to get a little better in frame. Try to take it up a little bit, get away from the tree foliage. There we go. That might be a little better. Try to keep it in frame. But of course it's very, very smooth. I did use the original all-in-one speed control that came with the iris because it was mounted in the lower section, and it would have been difficult to get conventional speed controls with all of the other equipment inside. So I was able to actually use that speed controller very well. I'm going to bring this in a little closer. There we go. So it's been doing very, very well. I haven't put a camera on it yet. I'll do that. I'll do that very soon, and maybe get a new flight video going. All right. Let's let her sit down right. over here, right there. There we go. And that is the 3D Robotics Iris with the DJI equipment, Naza M version 2, and of course kind of the works with the iPad ground control station. And again, this is recorded in 4K. I know you won't be able to enjoy the quality right now, but maybe in the future, if people upgrade their computer equipment in the future, as we all do, you'll be able to see the clarity of this. It's really quite beautiful in 4K if you can see it. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.